Hey guys, John here with Vapor Holding Technologies today, introducing a very new product for us. We've had so many people that want a small footprint machine, something that's in their budget, under $1,000 to your door, something that doesn't take a lot of CFM to operate, so you can use your smaller compressors like your 2 horsepower, 2.5 horsepower compressors that most of us have at our houses. Well, this is what we've come up with, and this is what we're introducing to you today. This machine is fully pneumatic, takes no electricity whatsoever to operate, does have a pumping system, and will process parts just like our other industrial machines. And the best thing of all, it's going to come UPS ground to your door, fully assembled to your door, so you can hook this thing into some air and put your 2 gallons of water in it and your 5 pounds of media, and you're ready to roll. This thing's 15 by 15. That's your processing area, and about 12 inches to the roof here. The door does open from the top here. It's a top load open. You can see very well. It's very easy. Again, the CFM that you're going to need is going to be around 8 to 10 CFM max. No electricity. It's easy to change the abrasive out. It's just a quick and awesome machine to use to process those smaller parts and pieces that you're going to have in your shop or in your business. And that's the cool thing about it. This thing is good for doing some smaller R&D work. You can change the abrasive quickly. You're not utilizing a lot of water and abrasive at the same time. And again, it's just a small, compact machine. So get yours today. You can order it online, or you can call us, or you can email us, and we can help you out. But the product is ready for pre-order, and yeah, rock solid product. I'm glad to be able to introduce this stuff to you today. So thanks for watching, guys.